Let's now explore the next form of the insert statement. Here we have an existing table and we want to insert rows from a different table. Here's how it goes. Say we have created now a table called dupe log. Here we have the IP address and the visited at with the corresponding default values. Now we have an insert into dupe log followed by the fields, and then of course these stand for the continuation marks as you would see on your SQLite 3 shell. And here we have the select IP visited at from visitor log. So the dupe log will now be populated with all the rows from the visitor log. Name aside, why would you need this functionality? Turns out there is a feature called as log rotation that most of the enterprise systems employ. Here's what it means. Say you collect your logs over a period of time. It could be daily or weekly or even monthly. You want the active log table to be reasonably small. To make sure that you retain the history, you go ahead and create historical tables like these and dump the existing logs, remove the logs from your actual table, and then keep using the new table alone. So that way you continue to have the history. For example, if this has been visitor log, say 2019 January 1st, let's just go and dump all these on January 1st at the end of day, and then remove all the entries from visitor log and then start populating starting from Jan 2nd. So end of day Jan 2nd, I'll again create another table like this calling visitor log Jan 2nd 2019, dump all the logs into that table, and then truncate the table, or rather remove all the rows from the visitor log table. This way you have a history of all the visitor logs and your current visitor log table does not grow way too much. If you think about this, growing a visitor log table by a huge bound is not the hassle. However, you'd want a backup of these logs. So you can go ahead and back up your incremental growth in a much more seamless manner when it's in distinct tables, rather than try to back up an entire big table. That's the intent behind this.